I'm Emily Siedel.
And I'm Alex Bauer, and today we're going to demonstrate an experiment using a visible ink.
Today, to conduct this experiment, you'll need safety equipment including protective gloves, goggles, and an apron.
In order to conduct this experiment, you will have to have the correct equipment. For the procedure, you will need an absorbent piece of paper, cardboard, adhesive tape to hold the paper together, and 2 paintbrushes, 3 beakers, 2 for 250 and 1 for 150, and a spray bottle.
Today we'll be using the chemicals ferric chloride, ammonium thiocyanate, and potassium ferrocyanide in order to conduct our experiment. We measured out 5.024 grams of ferric chloride in 100 milliliters of water and watched it dissolve. Then we dissolved 0.503 grams of ammonium thiocyanate in water. And finally, we dissolved 1.263 grams of potassium ferrocyanide in 50 milliliters of water.
The first step is to write one word on the piece of paper using ammonium trichinate.
And next we will use the second solution, potassium ferrocyanide, to write the word again.
We will now spray the ferric acid chloride to the words. The first word will show up in blood red.
In the second solution we use, the potassium ferrocyanide, shows up a royal blue color.
After you're done with completing this experiment, you will have to discard all your supplies that you're no longer using in a safe manner. Be sure to know where to discard the waste.
During this reaction, metathesis took place in several occasions. According to the University of Waterloo, during this reaction, cations and anions partner and exchange. This is demonstrated with the reaction that I have written on the board, in which case NaCl, an aqueous solution, AgNO3, also an aqueous solution, react in order to form AgCl, a solid, and NaONO3, an aqueous solution. That's what happens when the ferric chloride is sprayed onto the ammonium thiocyanate and the potassium ferrocyanide in order to create blood red and the royal blue colors. This reaction is a demonstration of metathesis. The other reaction that takes place during this experiment is pigmentation. The pigmentation is what happens, the colors that come out, the blood red and the royal blue, when the ferric chloride is sprayed onto it. And it's there are many types of pigmentation, but the pigmentation used here is inorganic, and RoyalTalents.com states that compared to organic pigments, there are few in number of inorganic pigments.
This can be applied in the real world in complete different ways. In history, invisible ink was used in significant history figure in order to keep important information from being discovered by the enemies. An example of this was found in mentalfloss.com, stating that George Washington and James J, committed life-saving information during the Revolutionary War by using invisible ink technique. And another example was during World War II. The Allies and the Axis power tried to make their own invisible ink and tried to discover the enemies. Invisible ink was used over 200 years ago and dating back all the way to the 1st century AD and ancient Greeks and the Romans. And thank you for all for watching.